Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in the land of rubber band. Yeah, he's Chief. Yeah, I should have been filming this earlier, but I just put in this new serpentine belt by myself. Wasn't that hard. I expected it would have been a lot harder job than what I had to do today. Everything worked out just fine. Everything went together just fine. The only thing I'm doing today is hoses, radiator hoses. That was my task for today. Radiator hoses and serpentine belts. So I gotta replace this overflow. And I thought I didn't have any holes, but I had some fuel holes hanging around. So then I got clamps for that. I got clamps for those, the top and the bottom. The bottom is a 3-piece, and they assemble them in a plant, so they're pressure joined, they're pressure coupled on the bottom. And here's the one that I got from Nepal. As you can see, there's a T on the bottom, and the T is pressure clamped together. So that's my big project today. All right, I'm pretty sure it goes on this way up to the. And I got that other guy over there with those airplane type hose clamps. So yeah, been doing this. She's running better. I redid the starting cables and stuff. So I don't have this big ugly looking thing that sucks juice. They had it right to the starter and right to here, and it's not happening. You know, yeah, starter solenoid, but it's not happening. It doesn't work right. You just suck juice wide, and you know you have that other solenoid back there that you hook up your glow plugs to. So, oh man, I just had to undo diesel by dummies. So now I'm doing this and taking my time because everything went fine. I was concerned that I wasn't going to be able to get my mom to work because to church tomorrow because I had run into a problem with the starter, and that's another thing I didn't film. But what I had done was, excuse me, I gotta get down. That 61, not easy to do these days. Anyway, what I did was I pulled an Uncle Boogie and that old starter. I pulled it apart. I greased the planetaries. Light grease on the plunger on the solenoid, and I put some grease up at where the pinion is because I didn't like the way it was clattering when she started. So I put it all back together, and this morning after I made sure the batteries were all charged, I started it up, and she gave me no problem at all. Started right up. Yeah, Bessie's doing better. I told my mom I'll pull an Uncle Boogie on the starter, and I did. So maybe next month, sometime we'll get a better starter for this old girl. Still got that big fat cable over there, but tied off because it was dumbass sucking all the juice. And this new cable, well, different cable. That's the one I got off the banana with Dad's truck. And that's the one that goes up to that other solenoid on the top. So it goes solenoid to solenoid, and it's solid. I mean, she cranks up, no problem. Yeah, it's a smaller cable, but brother, she don't get hot. The cable don't get hot. She fires right up, boom, and she's running. That's that black cable right there. That's the one that I got off the banana. So I'm doing what I usually do. You know, I've been a scrapper for a long time. You know, scrap iron and all that, and we know about reusing. You know, recycling. It's a form of recycling by reusing stuff that we didn't need anymore. And you know, it's a blessing. You know, my scrap iron days taught me a lot. You know, there's a lot of problems with this truck underneath. You can see there's a lot of rust. So I don't know how long I'll have Bessie on the road, but she got good parts. And if Bessie ever goes down from a bad chassis, like I said, I'll fix it as much as I can. And when she can't go anymore, I'll put all this in another truck, which by then hopefully I'll have the money to pick up one out of the. They got papers and just needs a heartbeat. I can't afford brand new. There's no way I can afford brand new. The chief ain't rich, but at least I got enough talent to get shit done. And I got the Bessie draining into that 5-gallon bucket, and I got a feeling that she's gonna take almost 5 gallons to fill it up. So that'll be fun. And there, my welds weren't so pretty, but that's my straight pipe. I got rid of the old muffler in the back. And it comes off of these. I think this might be a cat. I'm not sure. I think it may be a catalytic converter. Which one day I'll probably cut it out and go full on straight. I'm hoping that I can put in maybe a double stack. I don't know how that's gonna work. I'll have to figure it out. But I'm having fun with what I got. You know, I've been having a blast. And it's good to be back on the tube. I'll share my stuff with you guys. You guys shared so much with me. And I've been blessed to have been accepted as a Garage Gang member. I don't know if there's any other Garage Gang members out here in the Hawaiian Islands, but it's great to be a part of the Garage Gang, believe me. You guys have really made me feel like I had a purpose in life. You know, coming from being in and out of jails and institutions, and be able to come back to what I love. And you know, I thank my God. Those of you that don't believe in the God, well, I'm not gonna knock you guys for that. You know, teach his own. But I believe in the God, the one God, who got me to where I'm at today. I'm truly blessed. You know, I know this ain't the prettiest rig there is, but I got me a rig, and that's the other thing. You know, I'm blessed that I'm able to do the stuff I love. That my mom was ready to put down the money to buy this old girl. It cost her $3,000, and altogether she put in about maybe close to $4,500. Getting this thing all back up and all the plates and safety check and everything. So today is work on Bessie Day. I'm gonna do the radiator hoses, and if time permits, I'm gonna change the oil in this old girl. Change the engine oil. Everything a little at a time. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. Guys, I really thank you guys for being here for me. Life would be pretty empty without the garage gang. I've lost a lot, I lost two of my granddaughters to the system, and now the adopted mother doesn't want my daughter to see them, and it's really rough, My daughter, yeah, she made some mistakes. You all do, I ain't no fucking saint. I ain't no saint. But I found my redemption. It's here doing this stuff. My mom knew that I needed something big to get me back on my feet because I was just pretty much vegetating. I didn't want to go anywhere. My depression was way off the hook, man. I was really badly depressed. So I believe my mom felt that this was the way to get me back on my feet and buy this big thing, and it's a double blessing. It serves two purposes. She can get around. I have my big machine to mess with in the morning, and that's what it is for me. Nothing but blessings. Oh, let's get back up there. Nice. You were relaxing up there on the ground. Over here in Alalai, in Harvey. Oh God. Yeah, all busted up, but hey, I love it, man. I got stuff to do, and this is some big stuff. I took off that grill thing. What I'm thinking about doing is painting it grade set of orange. I got some grade set of paint, just so that people that want to cut me off can't say they didn't see me. I'll probably do grade set of paint around the headlights too. Those headlight panels, I'll probably do grade set of orange on it. I don't mind freaking the other motorists out, especially the assholes, But yep, working on Bessie, the diesel rat rod van. Till next time, Chief out. Aloha, wide.